Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to update the name of your MTN router. So if you got an MTN router and you'd like to change the name from the preset name MTN used, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So if you're a first timer in this channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. So let's get into the video guys. So firstly, head over to your settings app. Then make sure you are connected to the MTN router you would like to edit the name. So once you're connected to it, you have to go to your browser and search for this particular URL 192.168.0.1. So this is the IP address now. So you just have to do is to search for this IP address, and if this doesn't work, all you just have to do is to search for 192.168.1.1. so just I can easily get that guys. And I'm also going to be dropping it in the description also. So firstly, from here you just have to type the password for you to gain access to this. The preset password is going to be admin, so you just have to put the password there, admin. So once you are in, you click on Wi-Fi settings. So once you're on Wi-Fi settings, you will see the amount of connected devices here now guys. So this is the amount of device connected, only this phone connected. So for it to change the name, you click on Wi-Fi settings and you see where you change the network name. So that's just how I can easily do this guys. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching guys. We'll go.